Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by powering the headphones and ensuring a live Bluetooth connection. This is essential because most devices only allow renaming while paired. Once connected, open your phone or computer Bluetooth settings and find the active device entry. Tap the info or gear icon to access details. Make sure your headphones stay awake and within range. Otherwise, the rename option may be hidden. Now select the name field or edit option to type the new label. This starts the only reliable rename process available on standard devices. You now edit the Bluetooth name directly in the device details screen because most platforms write that name into the handset's paired entry. Tap Edit or the name text, delete the old label, and enter a concise new name. Avoid unusual symbols that some stacks reject. After you save, watch for the system to update and redisplay the name. If it reverts, make sure the headset firmware allows user renaming. Once saved, some systems push the change instantly. Keep the link active to finalize the write. You finish by disconnecting and reconnecting to confirm the new name is persistent across reconnections. This verifies the write succeeded. If the name fails to appear, restart both the headphones and the host device because cached Bluetooth entries can hide changes. If restarts don't work, check for firmware updates or perform a factory reset on the headset. These steps restore renaming capability when settings are locked. One key tip: if the host caches names, forget the device and pair again to force the updated label to show.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.